welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a blush declutter, and we're going to be doing the high-end and low, like, drugstore brands. So yeah, so my blushes are behind me in two of these white drawers, so let's go back there and declutter. So I'm going to start with my drugstore drawer, and yes, it's very messy because we haven't been through it in a while. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to keep all my ColourPop blushes because we haven't had them that long. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go draw the rest. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna get rid of the Sigma blush because we just don't use them anymore. There's an AOA blush. Ooh, this one's not that good, so we're gonna get rid of it. And then here we have a NYX HA Studio grinding blush. Okay. Oh, you grind it. No, we're gonna get rid of this. Next we have a jelly, grapefruit jelly, Gudetama thing, Korean brand. Oh, it's a putty. I don't like the color coral, but we'll keep it. Well, no, I'm gonna get rid of it. Next we have a e.l.f. blush stick, and I've had this for a long time, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Next we have a Music Flower 5-color blusher, and I'm gonna keep this since I like it. Next we have a sleek blush, and we haven't used sleek in forever. Okay, I'm never gonna wear a red blush, but maybe for like Halloween, yeah. I'm gonna keep this for Halloween stuff because look how pink. That's like an eyeshadow, so. Next we have a Wet n Wild Berry Shimmer. Well, I like this color, so I'm gonna keep it. Next we have a flower one, but these two look very, very similar, so I'm gonna keep the Milani one and get rid of the flower one. Next we have another sleek blush, and it's a pink. That's really bright. But we have a ColourPop blush like this, so we're gonna get rid of this. Next we have another sleek blush, and here's the color. I'm gonna keep it because it's like a nice mauve. We have this purple. That's pretty. I'll keep it for like fall. Next we have a sleek palette, and I'm gonna keep these because they're pretty. Next we have an e.l.f. palette, and I'm gonna keep this since it's like brand new. Next we have a Revlon blush, and we've had this for a long time, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Next we have a Airy Ink Velvet, don't know, another Korean brand, and I'm gonna get rid of it. Next we have a Revlon Insta Blush, and this is new, it hasn't been used, so we're gonna keep it. Next is a, I don't know what kind of blush this is, but here's what it looks like. I'm gonna keep it. Next we have a baked blush, and here's what it looks like, and it's a bright pink. I'm gonna keep it, it's a pretty pink. And here we have a Milani blush, and I'm gonna keep all our Milani blushes because I like them. So I'm gonna go ahead and use all of them. We have even the flower ones, so I'm gonna keep these, of course. I'm gonna get all these Milani ones out. Okay, so next we have more blush sticks that we haven't used yet. Then we have a Wet n Wild blush stick. And I'm gonna keep it. It's decent. I'm gonna get rid of this because I would probably never use a color like that. I don't like coral, so I'm gonna get rid of this flower one. Now we have a Physicians Formula one, and this looks decently new, so I'm gonna keep it. Next we have a brown blush, so I'm gonna get rid of it because I don't like the color. Next we have a Whipped Faucet by NYX. I'm gonna get rid of these. I'll swatch this one too. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of these. Next we have AOA, which is Shop Miss A stuff. And I'm gonna keep that one. I'll keep that one. Now we have a Wet n Wild baked blush. And it has a bird. And I'm gonna get rid of this because it's like an eyeshadow. Next is another AOA one. And it's too light, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Next we have another AOA one. I'm gonna keep it. Oh, that stinks. Never mind. It smells bad. I'm gonna get rid of it. Next, we have a Wet n Wild one. This one's old, so I'm gonna get rid of it. And now we have a City Color Mosaic blush, and I'm gonna keep that. It's pretty. Next, we have more Wet n Wild blush. I'm gonna get rid of because they're old. Next we have a Be Matte blush by City Color. And this hasn't been used. So I'm gonna keep these. Next we have a NYX blush. And it's like a mauve. I'm gonna keep it. Next we have an e.l.f. blush palette. I'm gonna keep it. Blush, and it's called Peachy Beams, and we haven't used it, so I'm gonna keep it. Next we have another flower blush, and I'm gonna keep it because it's pretty. Next we have an e.l.f. blush, but this is too white, so I'm gonna get rid of it. And these colors are too bright, so I'm gonna get rid of these. And then we have a black blush by Wet n Wild. Cream blush, and it's black. So I'm gonna keep this because it's black. Next we have another Lumi blush, and I'm gonna keep this and this one. Next we have another Revolution. I'm gonna keep this. Then we have an e.l.f. one that's really old, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Now we have an Ioni Cosmetics blush, and these look decently new, or this one does because I only have one, so I'm gonna keep it. And we have another NYX Mosaic powder, and we're gonna keep it. And then we're gonna have a CoverGirl one, and I'm gonna keep this. We have a Kokie palette, and I'm gonna keep it. It's a good fall color. And then we have another NYX blush, and I like the color, so I'm going to keep it. And then we have another e.l.f. one I'm going to get rid of. And now we have another e.l.f. one I'm going to get rid of because they're old. We have a Physicians Formula one I'm going to keep. We have a Project Limited Edition from ULTA I'm going to get rid of. We have an LA Girl blush I'm going to get rid of. We have a BH Cosmetics blush I'm gonna keep. We have a Makeup Revolution palette that I'm gonna keep. We have an e.l.f. blush palette that I'm going to keep. We have a Pretty Vulgar blush that I'm going to keep. And then we have another bright pink one, which I'm going to get rid of. And that's it. So now for the high-end drawer. So we have a lot of NARS, so I'm going to do all these first. So I'm going to keep this. 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 I'm going to keep, no. I'm not going to keep this.
I like that one.
Okay, we're going to keep this. It's sticky. We're not going to keep this. We're going to keep that. We're going to keep that. Ow. This is Julep, and I'm not going to keep it. Ow! It keeps on pinching me. It's stupid. So we're not going to keep this. This is Smashbox, and we're going to keep that. I'm going to keep all my MAC ones because I love them, so. I'm of course going to keep the Chanel one. Here's the color. And here's Dior. We're going to keep that. And Pretty Vulgar. I'm going to keep that. Of course I'm going to keep this. Here's Too Faced. And I'm going to keep these. I'm going to keep my Tarte ones too, because I have a close bond with them. And I'm going to keep my Too Faced one, my heart ones. It doesn't look like I'm going to get rid of much in this drawer. I'm going to keep my Too Faced, and my Tarte, and my Hourglass. I'm going to keep my NARS. I'm going to keep my Too Faced. I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to keep my MAC. I'm going to keep my Hourglass. I'm going to keep my Urban Decay. I'm going to keep my Tarte and my Too Faced. I'm going to keep my MAC. I'm going to keep my NARS. I'm going to keep my MAC. I'm going to keep my MAC. I'm going to keep my Stila. I'm going to keep my, I don't know what this is, but I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep, or wait, yeah, we're going to keep my IT Cosmetics. I'm going to keep my Marc Jacobs. I'm going to keep my, wait, no, I'm going to get rid of my Bare Minerals. And of course, I'm going to keep my Naked. I'm going to get rid of this because I don't like it. Of course, I'm going to keep my Marc Jacobs. Of course, I'm going to keep my Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to keep my MAC. I'm keeping my Too Faced. Of course, I'm keeping my Becca. I'm keeping my Wonder Woman MAC. We have the spray from Sephora. I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep this color. Keep my Too Faced. Keep my Hourglass. I'm going to keep my Sephora palette. Of course, I'm going to keep my MAC palette. Now we have our Posy Tint from Benefit. I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna keep my Urban Decay. Gonna keep my Guerlain. I'm gonna keep the Benefit brush. And I have Rocketeer, Dallas, Bella Bamba, and Hervana. And then I'm keeping my MAC. What's this? It's a Sephora gel. I'm gonna get rid of that. Help, that's gonna stain my leg. After that, we add Bobbi Brown. And I'm gonna keep it because it's nice. Then we have a Lancome blush, and I'm gonna keep this, of course. Just got it, and there's little ledgers. So yeah. Next we have a Tarte palette, and I'm gonna keep it. Oh, and then we have another Benefit Corsola, and then we have one of these, and I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna get rid of these Clinique sticks. I'm gonna get rid of this Cargo. I'm gonna get rid of the Lorac one. I'm gonna keep my MAC. I'm gonna get rid of the Sephora one. I'm gonna get rid of the Chanel one. I'm kidding. And then we have this Sephora one. I'm gonna keep this. Then we have the Smashbox. I'm gonna get rid of this. Next we have the Lorac palette. I'm gonna get rid of this. And then we have the Sephora palette, and I'm gonna keep this. And I'm gonna get rid of it, actually, I don't like it. Next we have the NARS palette, and I'm gonna get rid of this. Next we have the Ofra palette, and I'm gonna get rid of this. So that's it. So that was it for my declutter on my blushes, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time on Miss Number 12. Bye!